red. Hit that shit with all red. So they know who to attack when they attack. These fools really finna stick this all red. They finna stick this all red stick. This red stick is going into the bee's nest. Do you think they should stick that motherfucker inside that motherfucker rush? What do you think gonna happen? With the bees? Yeah! He's sticking up for the bees, but dang, Trips is ready. He's one of the candidates that's going in there. Monkey is going in there. There go the red stick that's going in there. This is just a little something to add insult to injury.
Insult to injury?
To increase injury.
What, you gonna put honey on it?
That's the honey and the sugar.
They're probably
We're
gonna
put
like
on
it,
it.
Yeah.
Oh, they guarantee they're gonna like that.
Yeah.
You think bees ain't gonna like that?
Now we're adding the ingredients on the stick of death.
Stick of death.
Put this little, add the little extra insult to measure it. You see me? I like to rub my honey in to make sure it's smeared in real good, you know. You don't want the bees getting stuck to it because you want them to fly right off and attack. So you want to make sure that it's nice and just there so they can just smell it. You just want them to smell really the honey and the sweetness, you feel? So that's how I do that, you know. And I just rub that on that side, you know. This shit is like some Paula Deen shit right here.
Some aromatherapy, bro. Honey therapy.
Smother that shit in real good. See, we don't want it all over the stick. Because whichever ones get stuck to this, we don't give a fuck.
We're gonna eat them.
The ones that just fly out to attack. Yeah.
I'll eat that shit out there for a dub, dog.
This will make it sound like... You were asking for some dope or some shit.
Make that shit some bees on the stick.
Bees in the trap. Bees in the trap.
Bees in the trap. Bees in the trap.
This is the fool that's gonna be attempting this recipe.
They call me Bee Killer.
See, look. This is how I do that sugar. This is how I run that sugar on there. You gotta get how I pour it. I just pour it into my hand. And then I just gradually just run it over it a little bit.
Man, that shit look like a cupcake. Makes me want to eat it.
Oh, it's gonna make them want to eat it too. And you along with it.
That shit look like a donut, dog.
You along with it, fuck.
Then I gotta go inside so I can wash my hands because I don't want none of this shit on me when they start attacking. Alright, now we're just gonna let that dry. Yeah! Now we'll just let that dry real fast, you know. Let that marinate.
Yeah.
Make you wanna move.
Like that.
You're dancing.
Why you gotta be geared up, that ain't right?
You're dancing. You're dancing.
Being geared up.
You're dancing.
Ready for the ride. This was going 2 shirts. The one blocking his face and the sweater. Protection. Wear that protection, you guys. Yeah, I look like you gonna fucking go rob someone and shit. They probably get a shot by the cops before we get stung by the bees.
I wanna get in the street.
Crocky. Watch that. You're gonna get stung. Fool. Woo! Woo! Oh shit!
From the side, come from the side. Oh, there's the queen right there.
I know she's the queen. Oh shit!
Man, they some big ass bees, my boy. Man, they some big ass bees, my boy. Man, they some big ass bees, my boy.
Go, go,
Oh, I don't know, no, this is like suicidal.
go, fool, go, go. Go, fool. Go.
They're coming from both ways.
Go, fool, smack them, fool.
Move, Dave. The Beehive, he finna get his ass stung. He finna get hit by that for sure.
Get him, fool, get him! Get him, dog! Get him! Get him, fool! Get him! Get him, fool! Get him! Run, fool, run!
Move, bitch! Move! Get in there! Bitch!